what's going on, guys? It's Ing Family here, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make oatmeal. Now, first what you want to do is you want to grab the oatmeal packet. Right now I'm making dino oatmeal. And you want to open the packet. Sometimes, and try not to make any spill on the floor if you want, like, none, but still. Then you pour it into a like decent sized bowl like this, and you may want to spread it around. Don't put it in like one single corner, so then it will be like a mountain of like oatmeal, and there will be none in the other side. Now, what you want to do is grab like a measuring cup. Grab a measuring cup. And get half a cup of boiling hot water. And then once you got that, pour it into the bowl where you put your oatmeal stuff. Not quite sure. And try to spread it around as good as you can. And now, before you start stirring, you may want to, this is optional, but you may want to like add like some cinnamon or sprinkles into the oatmeal before you stir. So I really like cinnamon, so I'm just putting cinnamon in. So, you don't want to overload it with cinnamon, otherwise it's going to taste really bad. I've tasted it, and it does that. Just try to sprinkle like a tiny bit. So. And then, it doesn't matter if it's in a line, because, grab out like an iron or wooden spoon. I recommend wooden, because metal conducts heat, and this is really hot because of boiling hot water. So then you stir it for like really good until you can't see the accessory, so you can't see the cinnamon or sprinkles or anything else. And you just gotta stir it until it looks a little bit like this. If you can see that. And then all you gotta do is like wait about a minute or maybe two. If you put like really hot water, you may want to wait 3. And yeah, so once you wait for like 3 minutes or so, 3 or less minutes, sorry about that off-cam thing, enjoy your oatmeal. Alright, thanks guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you all next time.